Now, FND is caused by your brain building a pathway that shouldn't be there. In a lot of cases, I think there may be more than one pathway, but I'm saying that in a lot of cases, that pathway is between the emotional center and the movement center. That's how it was in my case. My brain had built a pathway that shouldn't be there. So when I got overwhelmed with emotions, and there's another chunk of this too that I have to explain, my body would act out in like tremors, right hand tremors, falling down, seizures, all this movement related stuff, even trouble speaking. And another chunk that you have to understand is that part of having FND for a lot of people is that your amygdala becomes overactive. Now, your amygdala is that almond shaped organ that sends out the information to your body that basically it sends out the chemical messengers or the hormones or whatever you want to call them, like cortisol, adrenaline, to tell your body that we are in fight or flight, we are in survival mode. The problem is that once the amygdala receives a message from your brain that there's danger here, fight or flight, it sends out these messengers to your muscles and to parts of your body. And once that signal is received, you can't really stop it. And when you have FND, the amygdala very often, if not always, becomes overactive. And what this means, if we can go back to a different version of our woods analogy, is that it would be like you're walking through the woods and you're looking around, and a normal person that's doing this, a bear jumps out at them or a tiger, and they automatically, without having to think about it too much, their body goes into fight or flight, and they either run or they freeze. There's fight, flight, freeze, and fawn are the main four survival responses that we have as humans. So as soon as your brain senses danger, you're from that tiger or that bear, a healthy normal person goes into survival mode and chooses the most appropriate response that's going to get them out of there alive. Well, because when you have FND, your amygdala is overactive, there's a good chance if you were walking through the woods, a bunny rabbit could jump out at you, and you would have that same reaction to the bunny rabbit as a normal healthy person would have to the bear. So when I say your amygdala is overactive, it means that you're going into your survival response, fight, flight, fawn, and freeze, more often than you really should, and way stronger than you should.